Why does it have it?
What?
We're rolling.
Okay, so our first order of business for the ranch is, since we have all these gates, such a hassle for city folks to get out of their car. So the first thing I had to buy, according to the boss, was an automatic gate opener, which I installed over the last couple of days. Come down and look at it. Arm mounts on either side. We've got the wires from one coming over here to the control box. It's powered by a battery. It has solar to keep the battery charged. It has a keypad, which is going to go out there. Right now, the only way to get at it if you don't have one of these is to use the keypad, so I had to make it reachable. Eventually I'm going to run a thing down along the ground here that'll automatically open it up when you get within 50 feet of it from the inside. But here's how it works. You just key in the number.
That does indeed mean you have to get out of your car. However, we have clickers.
So it'll open up. It stays open for about 10 seconds, I think. Allow you to pass through.
That was the warning.
Right. So there it is. We have 4 of these little garage door openers plus the keypad. We should be all set. If this one works out for the next few months, we'll put one down at the main gate too.